Wait. Sushi! You don't understand the happiness money well spent. Oh, hell, fuck yeah! Get upgrade. Do you understand my happiness? I finally got like no shot. Finally got lucky. Okay. I better get. Alright, so what's left? So, oh wait, no. Where's the super? Okay, we got sushi. All we need is weightlifter, Katsuku, or I guess octopus, and fencer. That's all I need now. No, whatever. God, hell, fuck yeah. People I don't want you, you trash. I don't want you again. And not even the white eyes. But I would try her out. I mean, I remember back then having her. Still, Sushi Cat, come on, I will be happy.